Hey, hello.
Yes.
How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. Thank you, and you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Are you new here? I've never seen you in ages.
Yeah, I'm a visitor.
So where are you from?
I come from England.
Oh great. Do you like Pakistan?
Yeah, I do.
Just subscribe now. Okay, why did you come here?
I come for vacation.
That's good. Are you having a fun here?
Yes, I'm having a great time.
What do you like the best here?
What do I like the best? Well, the people are very kind, especially Muslims. I like their prayers.
Do you like the food?
Yeah, the food is great.
Is the food too spicy for you?
Not at all. I love spicy food. Even I can eat spicy food every day.
How longer will you stay here?
I'll stay here just for one more day.
Oh. Then you will go home, but it's so quickly.
I don't want to go from here, but my vacations are gonna be end. So I must go.
Do you fancy a cup of coffee, if you are not in any kind of hurry?
Yeah, sure. I don't have to go anywhere.
Awesome.
Sorry, I was about to ask your name, but have you subscribed yet?
Never mind. My name is Muhammad Bilal.
Sorry, it's Muhammad Bale.
No, it's Muhammad Bilal. Now you got it.
It's my bad, but still I can't be able to understand. Can you spell your name?
Okay. It's Muhammad Muhammad and Bilal Bilal.
Oh. Okay, now I got it. It's Muhammad Bilal, is that right?
Absolutely right. What's your name?
My name is Alexa David.
Really, it's a good name. I heard this name in English movies.
Thanks. Do you watch English movies?
Yes, I do.
Which type of movies do you like? Romantic, emotional, comedy, adventure, horrible, zombies?
Whole type of movies I like to watch. But comedian movies I like the most. And what about you? Do you like Pakistan's movies? Dramas?
Actually, I can't watch any serial or movies of Pakistan, because they are whole about Urdu language, so.
Yeah, I knew but I forgot.
You are so kind person, and it's nice chat with you.
Thanks. I can't express my feeling to talk to you, but I just wanna say that whole praising comments goes to you, because your personality deserve it.
Oh. It's your kindness.
If you don't mind, can I have your number, please?
It's my pleasure. Please write my number. It's +44,256.
Okay, thanks. I'll send you a message with my name.
Okay, then I'll save your number. Bilal, how old are you?
I'm a teenager.
Amazing. You are so handsome.
Thanks for your compliments. And what about you? I mean, how old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
Oh. My goodness. This is the thing I was looking for.
Pardon me.
Nothing, I just said great.
What about coffee? Did you forget?
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry for that. I totally forgot. So shall we go now?
No, it's been too late. I've to go now.
Okay, when we will meet again.
When destiny wills.
Okay, I'll wait for that moment.
Okay. I'll catch you sometime or the other.
Okay, bye and take care.
Please subscribe to my channel for getting more like these videos.